Hello everyone, and welcome aboard as we explore the fascinating world of modern redfish fishing. Across vast oceans, powerful trawlers work day and night, using advanced technology and enormous nets to harvest valuable catches from the deep sea. Join us as we discover how skilled crews, sophisticated equipment, and modern fishing methods combine to bring redfish from the ocean to markets around the world. As the vessel reaches the productive fishing grounds, the crew begins preparing the massive trawl system for deployment. Every operation is carefully coordinated from the bridge, where advanced navigation equipment, sonar systems, fish finders, and satellite communications provide real-time information about ocean conditions and fish concentrations. Modern redfish trawlers are designed to maximize efficiency while maintaining safety in challenging offshore environments. Once a prominent school of redfish is located. Hydraulic winches slowly release thousands of meters of steel cables connected to the heavy trawl net. Large steel doors attached to either side of the net spread the mouth of the trawl open as it moves through the water, creating a wide path capable of capturing large numbers of fish. The vessel maintains a precise speed, allowing the net to remain stable and effective as it sweeps across the fishing grounds. Beneath the surface, the trawl net travels through the depths, where redfish often gather near underwater ridges, rocky structures, and continental shelf edges. These fish are known for inhabiting colder waters and can be found at significant depths, making modern technology essential for locating them. The captain constantly monitors sonar displays that reveal fish density, shape, and movement patterns. This information helps determine the optimal towing route. And duration. During the towing process, the crew remains busy throughout the vessel. Engineers monitor engine performance, hydraulic systems, and fuel consumption, while deckhands inspect cables and equipment for signs of wear. Safety is always a top priority, because the enormous forces generated by the trawl gear can be extremely dangerous if not handled properly. Every crew member follows strict procedures developed through years of experience and maritime training. After several hours of towing, the captain gives the signal to retrieve the net. Powerful hydraulic winches begin hauling the heavy gear back toward the vessel. As the cables emerge from the sea, crew members carefully guide them into position. The trawl doors are secured first, followed by the gradual recovery of the net itself. Excitement builds across the deck as the catch approaches the surface. When the cod The final section of the net, where the fish are collected, is lifted aboard. Hundreds, or sometimes thousands of red fish may be revealed. The catch is emptied onto sorting tables, where workers quickly separate marketable fish from unwanted species. Modern fishing regulations often require careful handling of bycatch to reduce environmental impacts and protect marine ecosystems. Sorting operations move rapidly, because maintaining freshness is essential. The bright red coloration of the fish reflects the quality that seafood buyers seek. Workers wearing protective clothing saw, arrayed, and process the fish with remarkable efficiency. Some vessels operate as floating processing factories, allowing much of the catch to be cleaned, deleted, frozen, and packaged within hours of being harvested. Advanced refrigeration systems play a crucial role in preserving quality. Fish are transferred into chilled seawater tanks or freezing units designed to maintain ideal temperatures. Rapid cooling helps preserve texture, flavor, and nutritional value while extending shelf life for transportation to distant markets. These sophisticated preservation methods allow seafood harvested far offshore to reach consumers in excellent condition. Throughout the fishing trip, detailed records are maintained regarding catch volumes, fishing locations, environmental conditions, and species composition. These records support fisheries management programs that aim to ensure sustainable harvesting practices. Scientists and regulators often rely on data collected by commercial fishing vessels to monitor fish populations and evaluate the long-term health of marine resources. Modern redfish fishing is therefore not only a commercial activity, but also part of a larger system designed to balance economic needs with environmental responsibility. The fishing voyage often continues for many days, or even several weeks before the vessel returns to port. During this time, the crew works in rotating shifts around the clock, ensuring that fishing operations never stop when conditions are favorable. Life aboard a modern trawler is demanding, requiring endurance, teamwork, and discipline. Crew members sleep in compact cabins, share meals in the galley, and spend long hours on deck regardless of cold winds, rough seas, or heavy rain. Despite the challenges, experienced fishermen take pride in their work and the important role they play in supplying seafood to millions of people. Weather conditions are constantly monitored throughout the trip. Modern vessels are equipped with advanced forecasting systems that provide detailed information about approaching storms, wave heights, wind speeds. And ocean currents. This technology allows captains to make informed decisions that protect both the crew and the vessel. If severe weather threatens the fishing grounds, operations may be suspended temporarily while the vessel moves to safer waters. Such decisions can reduce profits in the short term, but safety always remains the highest priority. The economics of redfish fishing are complex and influenced by many factors. Fuel costs represent one of the largest expenses because modern trawlers consume significant amounts of fuel while traveling long distances and towing heavy gear. Maintenance costs are also substantial, as engines, winches, nets, cables, and electronic systems require regular inspection and repair. In addition, vessel owners must comply with fishing quotas, licensing requirements, safety regulations, regulations and environmental standards established by national and international authorities. Successful fishing operations depend on careful planning and efficient management of these expenses. Technological innovation continues to transform the industry. New generations of sonar systems can provide increasingly detailed images of fish schools and underwater terrain. Computerized navigation systems integrate information from multiple sensors, helping captains identify productive fishing areas more accurately than ever before. Some vessels even use automated monitoring equipment that records catch data instantly, improving reporting accuracy and supporting sustainable fisheries management. These advancements help reduce unnecessary fuel consumption while increasing operational efficiency. Environmental responsibility has become a central focus of modern fishing practices. Researchers, government agencies, and fishing companies work together to develop trawl designs that reduce impacts on marine habitats and minimize bycatch. Specialized escape panels, selective mesh sizes, and improved fishing techniques allow non-target species to avoid capture more effectively. Many fisheries also operate under strict quota systems that limit annual harvests based on scientific assessments of fish population. These measures help ensure that future generations will continue to benefit from healthy and productive oceans. When the vessel's storage holds are filled, or the trip reaches its scheduled end, the trawler begins the journey back to port. The return voyage often brings a sense of accomplishment as the crew reflects on the results of weeks spent at sea. Upon arrival, trains and unloading equipment transfer the frozen or chilled catch from the vessel to waiting trucks and processing facilities. Seafood buyers inspect the fish carefully. Evaluating quality, size, freshness, and market value. From there, the red fish continue their journey through distribution networks that connect fishing ports with restaurants, supermarkets, and seafood markets around the world. Consumers rarely witness the immense effort required to harvest seafood from the deep ocean. Behind every fillet of red fish lies a complex chain of technology, skill, labor, and logistics. Modern trawl fishing combines centuries of maritime tradition with cutting-edge engineering, creating an industry capable of operating in some of the world's most challenging environments. The dedication of fishermen, the power of modern vessels, and the constant pursuit of efficiency all contribute to the remarkable process of harvesting red fish from the sea while striving to preserve the marine ecosystems upon which the industry depends. As demand for high-quality seafood continues to grow across international markets. Modern red fish fleets are under increasing pressure to operate efficiently while maintaining sustainable practices. This challenge has encouraged fishing companies to invest heavily in research, vessel modernization, and crew training. New trawlers are often built with improved fuel efficiency, advanced hull designs, and environmentally conscious technologies that reduce emissions and operating costs. These improvements help fishing businesses remain competitive while adapting to stricter environmental regulations and changing consumer expectations. Training plays a vital role in the success of every fishing expedition. New crew members spend months learning how to handle heavy equipment, operate safely around hydraulic machinery, identify different fish species, and respond to emergencies at sea. Experienced captains pass down valuable knowledge gained through decades of work. On the ocean. This combination of traditional seamanship and modern technical education creates highly skilled crews capable of managing complex fishing operations under difficult conditions. Continuous training is especially important because fishing technology evolves rapidly, requiring workers to master new equipment and procedures. The trawl nets themselves represent remarkable engineering achievements. Designed to withstand enormous underwater forces, modern nets are constructed from highly durable synthetic materials that resist abrasion and stretching. Engineers carefully calculate mesh sizes, towing characteristics, and structural reinforcement to optimize performance. Some nets incorporate electronic sensors that transmit information about depth, net opening, water temperature, and catch volume directly to the bridge. These real-time data systems allow captains to make immediate adjustments. That improve efficiency and reduce unnecessary fishing effort. In many fishing regions, cooperation between scientists and fishermen has become increasingly common. Research vessels conduct surveys to estimate fish abundance, while commercial fishing crews contribute valuable observations gathered during daily operations. This exchange of information helps create more accurate assessments of fish populations and supports evidence-based management decisions. Fishermen often possess detailed knowledge of seasonal fish movements, feeding patterns, and habitat preferences that complement scientific studies. Together, these sources of information contribute to a deeper understanding of marine ecosystems. The ocean environment, where red fish are harvested, is often rich with diverse marine life. Deep water habitats may support countless species of fish, crustaceans, mollusks, and other organisms that form complex ecological. Communities. Responsible fishing practices seek to minimize disruption to these environments while maintaining productive fisheries. Continuous improvements in fishing gear, monitoring systems, and management policies help achieve this balance. Although challenges remain, many fisheries have demonstrated that commercial harvesting and conservation objectives can coexist when supported by effective regulation and responsible industry participation. Global seafood supply chains depend heavily on reliable transportation and cold storage infrastructure. After leaving the fishing vessel, red fish may travel thousands of kilometers before reaching consumers. Refrigerated trucks, cargo ships, and distribution centers maintain carefully controlled temperatures throughout the journey. Advanced tracking systems monitor product conditions from the moment the fish are processed until they arrive at their final destination. This level of logistical coordination ensures that seafood harvested in remote offshore waters can be enjoyed by consumers in cities across the world while maintaining high standards of quality and food safety. For the fishermen who spend much of their lives at sea, every voyage brings a unique combination of uncertainty and opportunity. Ocean conditions change constantly, fish movements are never entirely predictable, and mechanical challenges can arise without warning. Yet these difficulties are part of what makes commercial fishing both demanding and rewarding. Success requires patience, adaptability, and determination. Whether operating in calm seas under clear skies or enduring rough weather in remote offshore waters, crews rely on their training, equipment, and teamwork to complete each mission successfully. The story of modern red fish trawling is ultimately a story of human ingenuity and perseverance. Massive vessels equipped with sophisticated technology venture far from shore to harvest resources from the depths of the ocean. Behind every successful catch stands a crew working tirelessly through long shifts, complex operations, and challenging conditions. Through careful planning, advanced engineering, and a growing commitment to sustainability, modern trawl fisheries continue to supply valuable seafood to global markets, while working toward the long-term protection of the marine resources that make their livelihoods possible. Beyond the technical aspects of harvesting red fish, there is also a strong cultural connection between fishing communities and the sea. In many coastal regions, commercial fishing has supported families for generations, creating traditions that are passed from parents to children. Modern trawlers may look very different from the wooden boats used decades ago, yet the fundamental goal remains the same: to safely harvest the ocean's resources and bring valuable food to market. Many captains today learned their trade from older fishermen who spent their lives navigating the same waters, and this heritage continues to influence the industry, despite rapid technological change. Port cities that support red fish fleets often depend heavily on the economic activity generated by commercial fishing. Shipyards, fuel suppliers, equipment manufacturers, seafood processors, transportation companies, and export businesses all benefit from successful fishing seasons. Hundreds or even thousands of jobs may be connected directly or indirectly to a single fishing fleet. As vessels return to harbor with full catches, the entire local economy becomes active, from dock workers unloading fish to factory employees preparing seafood products for shipment. This economic impact highlights the importance of maintaining maintaining healthy fish stocks and sustainable fishing practices. Modern fishing companies increasingly utilize digital technologies to improve decision-making. Sophisticated software analyzes historical catch records, weather patterns, ocean temperatures, and satellite data to identify potentially productive fishing areas. Some systems can compare years of information to detect trends and improve operational planning. Captains may review detailed digital charts displaying underwater structures, depth contours, and previous catch locations before deciding where to deploy their gear. These technological tools do not replace experience, but they provide valuable support that helps crews work more efficiently and safely. Energy efficiency has become another major focus within the industry. Rising fuel costs encourage vessel operators to adopt innovative strategies that reduce consumption without sacrificing productivity. New engine designs, optimized propeller systems, improved hull coatings, and advanced route planning software all contribute to lower operating expenses. Some vessels are equipped with automated systems that monitor fuel usage continuously, allowing engineers to identify opportunities for improvement. Reducing fuel consumption not only lowers costs, but also decreases the environmental footprint of fishing operations. The maintenance of fishing gear requires constant attention. Trawl nets may encounter rough seabeds, underwater obstacles, and strong currents that gradually wear down materials. After each haul, crew members inspect the gear carefully, repairing damaged sections and replacing worn components when necessary. Net mending is a highly specialized skill that remains essential even on the most technologically advanced vessels. All tier left unrepaired can quickly become a major problem during the next tow, potentially resulting in lost catch or expensive equipment damage. Health and safety standards aboard modern fishing vessels have improved significantly over the years. Emergency drills are conducted regularly to prepare crews for situations such as fires, flooding, equipment failures, or man overboard incidents. Life-saving equipment, communication systems, and navigation technology have become increasingly sophisticated, helping reduce risks associated with offshore work. Nevertheless, commercial fishing remains one of the most demanding occupations in the maritime world, requiring constant awareness and strict adherence to safety procedures. The future of red fish trawling will likely be shaped by continued advances in technology and sustainability. Researchers are developing more selective fishing gear, improved monitoring, systems, and new methods for assessing fish populations with greater accuracy. Artificial intelligence, satellite observation, and automated data collection may play increasingly important roles in helping fisheries operate responsibly while maintaining economic viability. These innovations could allow fishing fleets to target fish more precisely, reduce bycatch further, and improve overall resource management. Even as the industry evolves, the sight of a modern trawler hauling a net full of red fish remains a powerful symbol of humanity's relationship with the ocean. It reflects centuries of maritime knowledge combined with cutting-edge engineering and scientific understanding. Every successful voyage represents the efforts of skilled crews, advanced machinery, careful planning, and the immense natural productivity of the sea itself. As long as fishing communities continue to balance harvest opportunities with responsible stewardship, modern redfish trawling will remain an important part of the global seafood industry, providing food, employment, and economic value for generations to come. As global seafood markets continue to expand, the demand for premium redfish encourages fishing fleets to explore new methods for improving efficiency and product quality. Modern trawlers are increasingly equipped with automated systems that reduce manual labor while increasing operational accuracy. Sensors installed throughout the vessel monitor engine performance, fuel consumption, hydraulic pressure, storage temperatures, and catch volumes in real time. This constant flow of information allows captains and engineers to make adjustments immediately, preventing problems before they become serious and ensuring that every fishing trip achieves maximum productivity. The bridge of a modern trawler resembles a sophisticated control center filled with electronics displays, navigation systems, radar screens, sonar equipment, satellite communications, and digital mapping technology. From this command station, officers monitor every aspect of the operation while coordinating the activities of the crew. Advanced positioning systems help maintain precise towing routes even during poor visibility or challenging weather conditions. Such technology greatly improves safety and allows vessels to operate effectively in remote offshore regions where traditional navigation methods would be less reliable. During successful fishing seasons, a single vessel may harvest many tons of red fish over the course of several voyages. The catch is carefully processed according to strict quality standards that satisfy both domestic and international markets. Fish destined for export are often frozen within hours of capture using rapid freezing systems that preserve freshness and nutritional value. Every stage of handling, from sorting and cleaning to packaging and storage, is designed to maintain the highest possible quality. Consumers who purchase red fish in supermarkets or restaurants may never realize the extensive effort required to bring the product from deep offshore waters to their tables. Environmental monitoring has become increasingly important as fishing fleets seek to demonstrate responsible harvesting practices. Many vessels now carry electronic monitoring equipment that records fishing activities throughout each voyage. Cameras, sensors, and digital reporting systems provide detailed records that can be reviewed by fisheries managers and regulatory authorities. These monitoring programs increase transparency and help ensure compliance with conservation measures designed to protect fish populations and marine ecosystems. In some regions, Fishing vessels also participate in scientific surveys and cooperative research projects that contribute valuable information about ocean conditions and species distribution. The relationship between fishermen and the ocean is built on respect for the unpredictable nature of the sea. Despite modern technology, success can never be guaranteed. Fish migrations may change unexpectedly, storms can develop rapidly, and mechanical failures may occur far from shore. Experienced crews understand that adaptability is essential. Years of practical knowledge help them respond to changing circumstances and make informed decisions under pressure. This combination of technology, experience, and determination remains one of the defining characteristics of successful commercial fishing operations. As the sun rises and sets over the open ocean, trawlers continue their work far beyond the sight of land. Powerful engines drive the vessels through vast stretches of water, while crews maintain their demanding routines. Nets are deployed and recovered, catches are sorted and processed, and equipment is inspected continuously. Each task contributes to a complex operation that depends on precision, coordination, and hard work. The rhythm of life aboard a fishing vessel reflects a unique blend of industrial efficiency and maritime tradition that has evolved over generations. Looking ahead, the future of red fish trawling will depend on achieving a balance between economic success and environmental stewardship. Advances in fishing technology, improved scientific understanding, and stronger management systems offer opportunities to harvest marine resources more responsibly than ever before. By combining innovation with sustainable practices, modern fishing fleets can continue providing valuable seafood while helping preserve the health and productivity of the world's oceans for future generations. The story of Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of modern red fish trawling. From the moment powerful vessels leave the harbor to the final delivery of fresh seafood to markets around the globe, every step reflects skill, dedication, and advanced technology. The hard work of fishermen, the efficiency of modern equipment, and the importance of sustainable fishing practices all play a vital role in this remarkable industry. We hope you have enjoyed discovering how red fish are harvested from the deep ocean and how countless professionals work together to bring this valuable resource from sea to table. Until next time, thank you for watching, stay safe, and continue exploring the fascinating stories hidden within the world's oceans.